This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello, adventurers! In this video, I will explain how to get medium leather, a very useful material for crafting in many games. We'll cover the best ways to acquire it, whether through diligent farming or clever crafting. Understanding the prime locations and methods will significantly boost your efficiency. So, let's dive into the details and get you stocked up on this essential resource. The most common way to get medium leather is by skinning various creatures. You'll find it drops from beasts like wolves, bears, and basilisks. Some humanoid monsters also carry it, so keep an eye out. The key is to find areas with a high concentration of these creatures and fast respawn timers. Popular zones like the wetlands or the Cape of Stranglethorn are excellent starting points for your hunt. Beyond hunting, leatherworkers can craft medium leather by combining 4 pieces of light leather. This is a reliable alternative if you have an abundance of lighter materials. For direct farming, specific locations shine. The ebon slave hunters in wetlands are known for their quick respawns, making them a prime target. Additionally, terror-tooth raptors in southern barrens offer instant respawns, which is particularly efficient for players with ranged abilities. To maximize your medium leather haul, a few tips can make a big difference. Aim for a skinning skill of at least 140 to ensure you're getting medium leather consistently. Always clear your inventory before you start farming to avoid interruptions. Prioritize creatures that drop more leather, such as bears, which can yield an average of 3 pieces. Finally, if you have area of effect abilities, target groups of smaller, quickly defeated mobs for efficient gathering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.